Hi everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to monitor a printer using Nagios XI. Monitoring a printer with Nagios XI is important because it can prevent downtime with connectivity issues, paper jams, errors in general, and much more. This saves so much time instead of having to physically be at the printer and troubleshoot what the problem is. Come on, let's dive right into today's tutorial. When on Nagios XI, the first step you want to do is head over to the left-hand side, hover over the gearbox icon, and click on Configuration Wizards. From here, we can search up Printer using the search bar, and then the printer wizard will pop up. Then in the printer address bar, we can either type in the IP address of the printer you want to monitor, or if you switch the name to a certain address in your printer in scanner setting on Windows, that works just fine too. Since the printer I'm using has a set name, I'm going to type it in like so, and then we can click next. And then here we have our host name. Our host name is what will populate in XI. I suggest keeping it the same as your printer address name, just so you don't get confused and lost on what printer is what. Beneath this, we have our printer services, so I can specify which service you would like to monitor for the device. And then we have ping, and then printer status. For ping, it monitors the printer with an ICMP ping, which is useful for watching network latency and general uptime of your printer. I'm going to leave this one checked. And then here we have our printer status, which monitors the status of the printer through its Jet Direct card, useful for watching offline and paper jam issues, etc. You should already have an SNMP community string set up. You're able to find that in your Windows settings for printers and scanners in the specific setting for the specific printer that we are monitoring. Our default one is public, and if you did change it, then you have to put that in there in order to monitor it being offline or paper jam issues. These settings look totally correct on my end, so I'm going to head down here and click Next. Here we have our check interval settings. So under normal circumstances, Nagios XI will monitor the host and service every 5 minutes. That is just the default number. You're able to lower it, keep it the same, or make it higher. I'm going to keep it the same for demo purposes. And then when a potential problem is first detected, Nagios XI will recheck the host and service every 1 minute up to 5 times before sending a notification to you. Again, I'm going to leave these settings default just for demo purposes. These are all customizable to your liking. I'm going to click Next now. And then here we have notification settings. The default notification setting on Nagios XI is to send a notification immediately, but you can either do not send any notifications at all, or you can wait a certain amount of time before sending a notification. I'm going to leave it default as send a notification immediately. I'm going to scroll down and click Next. Here we have some desired host groups. I'm going to leave this default for demo purposes. Click Next. And then now we can finish and apply this new configuration. And we are officially monitoring our printer. So here we can click on View Status Details in order to see the status details. And it's showing a red status right now, but that is completely fine. In a minute or so, these statuses, whether it's the red on the left side or these unknown in the middle, should all be green and or red, depending on the status of your printer. Now you're officially monitoring your printer using Nagios XI. I hope everyone is able to follow along with this video super easily. But if you need any more support or additional assistance in general, not just containing this video, you can visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see and or tutorials on Nagios products. Thanks for watching and happy monitoring!